What is up, guys? How you guys doing today? Today we are at the GSR in Reno, Nevada, and the reason why we're here is not only to have fun because we're gonna do an escape room, but I also want to show you guys Hot August Nights. So if you don't know anything about Hot August Nights, basically it's like a week-long type of celebration thing with like classic cars and things like that. So if you're interested, just stay tuned and check it out, and you'll see what it looks like. What is up, guys? We are headed to the rib cook-off. Normally around this time it is nice and hot, but today it's wet and rainy, a little drizzle coming in and out, but we're gonna see. We'll check it out, we'll see what's going on, we'll show you guys some ribs, and that's pretty much it. So rib cook-off is extremely rainy, more rainy than usual. The one that I went to last year, it was hot as hell, but now it's raining and people are still out here. People still enjoying the vibe, trying different ribs and things like that, so that's always good. I think for our first rib, we might try, you want to try Big Daddy? Yeah, we got to try Big Daddy's. Big Daddy's was one of my favorites since last year, the last time I tried it. So we'll try it again and taste it again, and just remember how great it was. Alright, we were waiting in line for Big Daddy's, but the rain got us, and we still were able to get the ribs. So we have the ribs right now with the cherry barbecue sauce, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So, babe, try it.
Oh no.
This is what the rib looks like. It looks amazing.
Sorry. Just spreading the sauce around.
Oh, okay. How is it?
I don't know yet. So far, I like it.
You like it? That one was my best, that was my favorite one, honestly, from the last time that we came out here, so we'll see. But this looks amazing. Like, look how juicy and nice. So, trying it out. Shit's on point. Just a smoky flavor. The freaking sauce is where it's at. It's like a cherry barbecue sauce, and it just works. It's good. Ribs, Rasta Joel's ribs. All right, but try it out. This is exactly what it looks like. A thicker piece of meat for sure compared to the other one.
More tender.
Tender? All right, Jay Blaze, what you think?
Not as good.
It's good?
Not as good flavor.
No, not as good flavor, but a little bit more tender. I mean, it looks like, you know, there's more of a smoke to it, I guess. And it looks like a thicker piece of, it looks like there's more meat on it. Yeah, we gonna check this out. Yeah, we tried the, just one more. Yeah, I think it needs like more sauce or a rub or I don't know, something. It's not bad. But will it win the 2023 Rib Cook-Off? Probably not.
Like an 8 out of 10 maybe.
An 8 out of 10?
7.58.
7.58. I don't know. I'm getting like a. I'm giving it a. I think I like it more because it's like more meat. If you guys can see, it's a thicker ass piece of meat on there, like a lot of meat. Barely had enough like meat. It was just like all bone. Freaking disrespecting cows like this. Give them some meat. All right, so overall, Rasta Joe's was okay. I think it was a little bit worse than the one that we went to because it didn't have too much flavoring. But now we're at Blazing Broncos. So Blazing Broncos, originally from Cleveland. It looks like it started or established 2006. Basically the year that I graduated high school, so 06. But what we're gonna get is just a sampler, try it out, let you guys know how it tastes, and we'll see it. We'll see how it is. Try the sampler, taste it, check it out, and see how everything tastes. I'll let you guys know. All right, so now we're gonna try Blazing Bronco. Go ahead and try one bit. Oh, Jamie, here, that one.
The smokiness is good.
Smokiness is good? Okay. The sauce?
Sauce. Not as good.
Not as good?
But the smoke is on it.
What about you, Jay Blazy?
It's good, but I like the last one better than this one.
Yeah? Why's that? What's the difference?
I don't know, it's something about it. I think the other one tastes better, maybe. Just tastes better. I don't know what.
All right. Let me try it out, test it out. But this thing is hella juicy. We are in the middle of another line trying to get some more rib. All right, we're gonna try the Blazing Broncos. Yeah, I would say the smoke is good. The sauce need a little bit more work, I guess. I get what you're saying. Yeah.
It's a
little bit.
It's the third out of 30.
Third out of all three? Okay. All right, next rib stop it's called Back 40, and it is from Texas. So we're gonna go ahead and try these.
They did not cut really, well, I guess that's technically two. Because they didn't cut them very well, but.
Yeah, they look a little bit more meaty than last time. All right, what's your take?
Need a little more flavor.
A little more flavor? Okay. All right.
More flavor.
A lot more flavor?
Yeah. There's like no smokiness at all.
No smoky? Oh shit, all right. Now I gotta try this. We'll try a little baby rib.
It's tender, but
I like the sauce though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. The sauce is good, but the meat itself has to have some more smokiness. The meat needs everything. So we're gonna go to the next rib spot and then show you guys what's up. All right, next one that we're trying is Chicago Barbecue, and apparently they won in 2019 for best ribs. So this is the next one that we're trying. All right, this one is the Chicago Barbecue Ribs, and they won, I guess, the winner in 2019. The ribs look bigger than the majority of them. They look thicker, more juicy. So we'll see. Go ahead and try it. Jay Blazy, try one. Oh, my bad. What'd you think?
I think it's real juicy.
Real juicy?
I don't know if I like it that way though.
Oh.
I think it might be too juicy.
Too juicy?
Never too juicy.
Never
I like a little chew on my rib.
like a bit of a
Chew.
chew. Okay. Alright, I can see that. What about the sauce? How does the sauce taste? That's like the Chicago sweet and sassy sauce, or sweet.
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
Sweet and sassy sauce. All right, let me try one of these bad boys. I'm like trying to grip it with my finger, and it's almost sliding out. Like look at how juicy that shit looks.
I ain't complaining.
I think it's probably better than the last one because it's more juicy, and the sauce is pretty good. Pretty good sauce. Not bad. All right, we're gonna walk around and go to another spot. This place is freaking packed, and I put something dirty on my shirt, but it's fine. It's a little bit of barbecue sauce. We're gonna still move on. But this place is starting to get packed. It seems like a lot of people at first were kind of hesitant of coming out because of the rain, but everyone's out here. Everybody's doing their thing. People want ribs, so that's what they're doing. Yeah. We're gonna travel through, see if we can find another barbecue spot, another rib joint. We'll try it out and we'll let you guys know. All right, so here is Butch's right here in the back, right here with us. The line is pretty long. I hope the barbecue is actually pretty good, so we'll check it out. Just trying to make our way through, but we'll check it out. All right, how is it, Jay Blazy?
Number one.
Number one? Like that? Shit. All right.
Yep.
Number one?
Yep.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. The team is saying this is number one. I gotta try it out and we'll see. We'll see if it actually is number one or if they just fucking around. Yeah, we'll actually see if it is number one or not. All right. Yeah, it's good. I would have to agree. I would say this is the number one for sure. And that applesauce is pretty good. It's called Happy Apple or Apple Happy, something like that. That is freaking delicious. So we're gonna keep going to other places, try them out, and we'll get back to you. All right, next one up is going to be Austin, Texas Lightning Barbecue. Haven't tried this one before. I do remember seeing it last year, but I don't remember if I tried it or if we walked past it, not sure. So we'll go ahead and try it out and then we'll show you guys our rating pretty much. So stand by. Here we go, taste test.
These are hot.
These things are piping hot.
Yeah, I was
Hell
just like,
yeah.
you can see the steam coming off.
Hella smoky. Look at that steam. What?
Yeah, I think I might have to wait a couple seconds actually. It's
Okay.
hot. I think the other one been knocked out of the number one spot.
Uh-oh. Is it because of the sauce? Is it because of the smoke? What is it? Talk about it.
I don't know. The meat's like a completely different texture, but I like it. Like you would think that it's dry, but it's actually pretty good.
Okay.
It's like right on the money.
All right. Yeah. Burning shit. All right, here we go.
It's good, but
The other one was better?
the other one's better, yeah.
Yo, I'm like getting dripped on with all these sauce.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I would say not bad. Definitely has a more smoky flavor to it. The sauce is actually bomb. And what kind of sauce is this? Sweet and sassy or something like that? Sweet and sassy sauce, which is really good. And the barbecuers back there, all Marines. So, you know, you gotta support the Marines, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna try another spot and we'll let y'all know. All right, I thought we were gonna go to another rib spot, but I am so full of ribs right now. So we're gonna get a couple of side stuff, some corn and some funnel cake, eat that, and then we'll call it a day because it's been too long of a day right now. With the rain, with the tons of people coming out, just eating all the different types of ribs, it's been a lot. So Jay Blazy over here got some corn.
It's my shit. You already know.
Hell yeah. And my baby got corn too. All right, they got corn from this place called Men Wielding Fire, which is this kind of barbecue spot right up here. Pretty interesting. I've never heard of it. I think it's local to Reno, Nevada, but I've never really heard of it. But yeah, we'll go ahead and try some of the corn, taste a little bit of that, try funnel cake, and then that'll be it. So we'll see y'all.
Behind every camera, there's a man starving.
I don't even want to hear that. I do not. You know what? We're gonna pan the camera over to Jay Blazy. How you like the corn, Jay Blazy?
That's good.
All right, what'd you think?
Not the it corn.
No? Oh, it's still kind of young.
A good bun.
It's good. Okay. All right.
Just not enough meat.
Gotcha. Corn is pretty good. Heading over and getting funnel cake, baby. All right. Go ahead. Take a dip. Try it. Try the beautifulness of the funnel cake. Bomb. Are you happy?
Throw it away.
Whatever. ever. It's okay. He's full of it, man. He know that shit tastes good as fuck. Oh dang, this freaking shit is kind of frozen. Strawberries. Warm, cold, cinnamon, vanilla, strawberry, whipped cream, vanilla hot and cold with the ice cream and the hot freaking funnel cake. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Fucking delicious. This place is completely packed. So we ate the funnel cake, we ate the corn, we had tons of ribs today. I think we're good. We're gonna go home, we're gonna rest up, probably have the meat sweats. I'm feeling the meat sweats. I'm just real tired right now. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video, and make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Deuces, guys.